This is mathematics, which is 2024 external for grade 9s. So the first question reads as, write 23.61 correct to 3 significant figure. So they want you to write this number correct to what? 3 significant figure. So you have been given a question which is 23.615. What do they mean by 3 significant figure? 3 significant figure simply means just 3 numbers. So what do? You check. This is 23.6. You can't get anything from 1 to give to 6. So it can't happen. So the final answer will be just 23.6. So you check which one is 23.6. It's A. So once just here 3 significant figure simply means just 3 numbers. And if a number, since this is 1, you can't add to 6. But if it was 23.652, you can get 1 from 5 to add to 6. So it would have become 23.7. But now for this one, it is 1, you can't add, so it will be 23.6, which is this one. We come to number 2. Number 2 reads as, which of the following is an irrational number? Irrational number simply means a number which do not have a square root and cannot be written in form of a fraction. So these two, it is also irrational number, but now since it's not inside the square root, so it is not irrational. We come to B. There is no square root for 5, so the answer here is B. And 9, it's a rational number. There is a square root for 9. Square root for 9, which is what? 3. So now 7, it is also an irrational number. Why? Because it doesn't have a square root. But now, according to this question, it can't fit because it's not inside the square root. Only if it was inside the square root, it would have been the answer. Even 2 if it was inside the square root. So you only target the one which are inside the square roots. We come to number 3. Number 3 reads as, find the value of open -2 plus -5. Find the value of open -2 close plus open -5 close. So you remove it outside the brackets, which is -2. Positive times negative, it's negative. Have you seen? Once you have got a question like this, -2, -5, don't waste your time. Just add the numbers, which is 2 plus 5, it's 7. Now, where are the signs going? They are going from the same direction. Which direction? To the negative side. You have been told to go 2 steps to the negative, you stop. Again, you have been told, again, go 5 steps. The same direction. So you stop at -7. So this is the answer. So every time you face a question which is like this, -2, -5, just add the number and maintain the signs, which is a negative. You come to number 4. Number 4 says factorize completely 6x squared minus 24xy. So you say 6x squared minus 24xy. And you have been told to do what? To factorize completely. So how do you do? You know that 6 can go into 24, so it is common. So you write 6. What else? There is x, there is x. So also x is common, you open. What has remained? X. Minus. How many times can 6 go into 24? It goes 4 times. What has remained this side? It's just y. You end there. So that when you multiply, it has to give you back the question. So let's see. 6x times x, 6x squared minus 6x times 4y, 24xy, which is correct. So the answer here is what? D. We come to number 5. Find the value of 4 to the power 3 divided by 4. So every time you face a question, it's like this. Just know that divide by goes with what? Negative. So here it will be 4, 3 minus. Here there was 1. So what do you get? 3 minus 1, it's 2. So what is 4 squared? 4 squared simply means 4 times 4. And what is 4 times 4? It's 16. You end there. So divide by goes with what? Subtraction. Multiplication goes with what? Addition. Don't forget that. We come to the last one. Solve the equation 2x plus 4 equal to 2. So you say 2x is equal to 2. This one, it was positive 4, becomes what? Negative 4. So 2x is equal to, once you are subtracting a small number from a bigger number, always your answer is attached to a negative. So 2 minus 4, it's negative 2. Since I'm looking for the value of x, so you divide both by 2, also there 2. You eliminate. So 2 into negative 2, it's negative 1. You end there.